Hi, this is Marco Flores. I'm going to give my resume about the book The Parrot and the Pauper. This is the great story by Amanda Hirst. It's about a woman named Marilyn and her pet parrot Sunny and a sad secret from the past. So, what was the present? Marilyn and Sunny. The pet store. A young parrot is waiting in a pet store to be adopted. A woman named Marilyn and her boyfriend Russell come in to find a bear for her birthday. What was the connection? Marilyn whistles a beautiful song. The parrot chirps the same melody back to her, and she immediately chooses him and names him Sunny. A hiding sadness. Marilyn looks happy with Russell, but Sunny notices she's actually very sad. She takes medicines for depression and is often afraid that people will leave her. Best friend. Sunny becomes Marilyn's best friend. He chirps her favorite song whenever she is crying to fear to help her feel better. What was the past? The story. Marilyn tells Sunny a story about a girl named Anne Mary who lived in Jamaica 25 years ago. What was the conflict? Anne Mary was 18 years old and pregnant. Her father, a famous pastor, was angry because he thought the baby would ruin his reputation. He tried to force her to have an abortion. What was the escape? Aunt Mary refused and ran away from home. She found a place to stay called the Center of Battered Women. New friends. At the center, she made new friends with two women named Samantha and Agatha. She told them she would rather die than lose her baby. What was the tragedy? When it was time for the baby to be born, Aunt Mary had a medical emergency. She died right after giving birth, but the baby survived. What was the big secret? The story suggests that Marilyn is the baby who survived. Her sadness and fear of being left alone come from the fact that her mother and Mary died the day she was born. In the end, Sonny the Parrot helps Marilyn find peace by being to one friend who will never leave her side. That book was wonderful when I read because uh, present the real episode about some people in the world. We have many people fears like Marilyn, and that people needs somebody or something to feel better. Thank you for sharing with us and with me this wonderful book. May God bless you.